Hey everyone, welcome back to Test Station channel. Today, we're going to practice an important part of the speaking section, listen and repeat. Before we begin, here are a few quick tips to help you perform better. First, listen carefully to the entire sentence. Don't focus on just one word. Second, pay attention to the pronunciation, stress, and intonation of the speaker. Third, try to repeat the sentence as naturally and accurately as possible. And most importantly, don't panic if you miss a word. Keep going and repeat as much as you can remember. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more TOEFL practice tips and tricks. Let's begin. You will hear 7 sentences in total. For each sentence, you will first listen to the sentence, then you will have 8 seconds to repeat it. After your 8 seconds are over, the correct version will appear on the screen so you can check your answer. So, stay focused and give it your best. Listen carefully.
You are being trained to assist customers at the car rental agency.
Welcome. Let's check your reservation. You can choose your vehicle from this lot. The rental terms can be viewed at the contract signing desk. When you are ready, come over to the key pickup station. Over here is where the rental cars are returned to the parking lot. Please be sure to make a full inspection before driving away from this building. When you return the rental, be sure to park the exact same location where you pick it up.
And that's it. You've completed all 7 listen and repeat questions. So, how did you do? Count your correct answers and share your score in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more TOEFL practice and helpful tips. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, every practice session brings you one step closer to your TOEFL goal. Thanks for practicing with me, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Good luck!